Have you ever pondered a paradox? These fascinating phenomena appear contradictory or impossible, yet they often reveal deeper truths about our world. A paradox is like a riddle wrapped in a mystery, cloaked in an enigma. It's a statement or situation that defies intuition, turns logic on its head, and yet, in its inherent contradiction, uncovers profound insights. Paradoxes are not confined to one field or discipline. They permeate through philosophy, science, and mathematics, challenging our understanding, rattling our perceptions, and pushing the boundaries of our intellectual landscape. They invite us to question, to probe, to think deeper. To grapple with a paradox is to embark on a journey of intellectual discovery and exploration. It's to open a gateway to a deeper understanding of the universe and our place within it. So, prepare yourself for an intellectual journey as we delve into the world of paradoxes. Embark on a journey with Zeno of Elea, a Greek philosopher who challenged our understanding of motion. His dichotomy paradox posits a fascinating conundrum. To reach any destination, one must first get halfway there. But then, there's another halfway point to reach. And another, ad infinitum. This suggests that motion, in essence, might be an illusion, a sequence of infinite half-steps that should make movement impossible. An endless journey to a destination. Isn't it perplexing? Now imagine having a twin, and you both age differently. Sounds impossible? Welcome to the twin paradox. In the realm of relativity theory, this paradox posits that if one twin embarks on a high-speed voyage to a distant star and back, they would return to find their earthbound sibling has aged more. This seemingly contradictory scenario actually unveils the time dilation effects of special relativity. So, time travel enthusiasts, are you still on board? Next, we visit a barber who presents us with a logical conundrum. This paradox, born from set theory and logic, features a barber who shaves all, and only those men who do not shave themselves. Now, the million-dollar question, does the barber shave himself? If he does, he defies his rule of only shaving those who don't shave themselves. But if he doesn't, he fits into the category of men he should shave. Quite a hairy situation, don't you think? Ever entertained the idea of tweaking your family tree using the concept of time travel? Allow me to introduce you to the puzzling grandfather paradox. This thought experiment delves into the intricate consequences of a time traveler traversing back into a period before their grandparents have even crossed paths, ultimately obstructing their eventual imagine this. The time traveler, through their actions, prevents their grandparents from meeting, thus stopping their own birth. Now, if the time traveler is never born, how could they have traveled back in time to prevent their grandparents from meeting? It's a brain teaser for sure. This is the essence of the grandfather paradox, a temporal conundrum that questions the very existence of the time traveler. But let's delve a bit deeper. The grandfather paradox also stirs up fascinating questions about causality and the nature of time itself. Causality is the relationship between cause and effect, and in this scenario, the cause, preventing the grandparents meeting, leads to an effect, the time traveler not existing, that nullifies the cause. If a cause can eliminate itself, then what does this mean for our understanding of causality? Moreover, the grandfather paradox also throws a wrench into our perception of time. It suggests that the past, present, and future might not be as linear as we think, and that time could potentially be a more fluid, interconnected web. If could change the past and thus alter the future, this disrupts the conventional flow of time and brings to light the concept of a mutable timeline. So, the grandfather paradox isn't only about time travel. It's a complex exploration of existence, causality, and the very concept of time. It's a paradoxical loop that doesn't just question the existence of the time traveler, but also challenges our understanding of these fundamental concepts. Let's set sail with Theseus, questioning the identity of his ship. Imagine a vessel piece by piece being replaced. As each plank and nail is swapped out, at what point does the original ship cease to exist? Is it when the first piece is removed, or the last original piece is gone? This is the ship of Theseus paradox, a philosophical conundrum that grapples with concepts of identity and persistence over time. It's not just a voyage on seas, but a voyage into the essence of identity itself. Imagine a heap of sand. Now remove one grain at a time. When does it stop being a heap? This is the Sorites paradox, a conundrum that exposes the challenges we face when defining clear boundaries. If we continue to take away one grain at a time, at what point does it cease to be a heap? With every grain removed, the heap seems to persist, yet, at some stage, we know it must stop being a heap. A grainy problem indeed, challenging our perception of quantity. Gazing into the cosmos, have you ever found yourself pondering, where is everybody? Welcome to the perplexing world of the Fermi paradox. This puzzling conundrum arises from the stark contradiction, the high probability of extraterrestrial life, and our apparent lack of any. In the vast expanse of the universe, estimated to consist of around 2 trillion galaxies, each teeming with countless stars and planets, the deafening silence seems almost surreal, even unsettling. The Fermi paradox poses a significant question to humanity. If the universe is so vast and teeming with potential life, why haven't we heard anything yet? This questions us to the concept of cosmic silence. Cosmic silence refers to the absence of any observable signs, signals, or contact from extraterrestrial civilizations. A silence that echoes across the universe, despite our relentless search and rapidly advancing technology. Indeed, the Fermi paradox carries profound implications for our search for extraterrestrial life. It forces us to reevaluate our search strategies, question our scientific assumptions, and even confront the possibility of our solitude in this vast cosmic ocean. Despite our innovative technology and persistent explorations, we are yet to find concrete, undeniable evidence of alien civilizations. The Fermi paradox, then, is a cosmic enigma of interstellar proportions, a conundrum that continues to puzzle, challenge, and even haunt us as we delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe.